Dear all, welcome to the International Academy of Osteopathy. This video is an introduction on the modular osteopathy course that we conduct in Cairo. My name is Luc Peters, and together with Grégoire Lazon, we are the principals of the International Academy of Osteopathy. Now, why do we teach osteopathy? Well, medicine is great and innovates constantly in treating and healing disease. Osteopathy fills a gap in the medical concept. Osteopathy treats the intrinsic quality of every individual to heal. Teaching osteopathy, therefore, is our mission as a contribution to medicine and the healing process. So, the International Academy of Osteopathy organizes modular courses in Cairo. We also teach in several locations in Europe. For example, also a full-time course in Ghent. We have some 2,600 students, 160 teachers. We teach osteopathy since 1987. We have an excellent international reputation and we prove our quality because we carry the ISO 9001 certificate. We only offer quality. The modular course in Cairo is a course over 5 years, and every year there are 6 modules. Every module runs on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I repeat, we only teach quality. We prove this because we carry the ISO quality label in osteopathic education and training. This is unique worldwide. We only teach osteopathy on an evidence-based practice. We even have our own research team, and we publish in peer-review magazines on a regular basis. Diplomas and degrees that you can obtain at the International Academy of Osteopathy. You can obtain the diploma in osteopathy, and you also can obtain the Master of Science in Osteopathy because we work together with the University of Applied Sciences in Austria. Okay. Now, what do you learn at the IAO? Of course, a lot of new skills. So, as there are efficient examination procedures, exclusion diagnostics, patient-centered osteopathic treatment. You also learn how to manipulate joints. You learn mobilizations, muscle energy techniques, visceral techniques. You learn craniosacral techniques. You will learn a lot of fascial techniques, Chapman reflex points, spontaneous release techniques, and all of this in a very integrated way. And with all respect for the philosophy and principles of osteopathy. Now, how do we do this? We do this with a lot of interaction. Interaction between the student and the teacher, between the student and the whole teaching staff, between the student and the whole International Academy of Osteopathy. We teach in functional theory classes, where you will see a lot of relations on the basis of anatomy, biomechanics, neurology, fascia, physiology, and pathology. We also train you with practical teaching. And when we do practical teaching, we do this with a lot of assistance. We also have other facilities. We have an e-campus with online facilities such as there are e-books, other books, streaming videos, and so on. We teach osteopathy at a very agreeable location in the center of Cairo. Now, what is very important, our teaching method is student-centered. This means that teachers, assistants, the direction, the facilities, the administration, the curriculum, the e-campus, the books, the research team, we are all conducted towards and around the student. Now, what can you expect? What can you expect after one module, after 1 year of teaching, after you obtain the DO diploma, after you obtained the master? Well, after each module, you will see a specific body region. You will be able to examine and treat this body region immediately after each module. After a year, of course, you will have seen a lot of body regions, and especially the relation between all those body regions. And of course, when you do the complete course, you see all possible relations within the whole body. Okay? So if you go for the DO diploma, you will be successful in your practice. If you go for the master, you of course will be at the top of your profession. Okay? After graduation, we also offer an alumni society. We offer postgraduate courses. We offer the possibility to get a PhD degree. We organize conferences, and we also organize professional organizations, which means that all of our students and our graduates can be members of all possible professional organizations. Now, of course, following those courses is an investment. Okay? So, for the details, ask our local partner in Cairo, where you see here the email address. Studying osteopathy is the best investment ever, but only trust quality. Okay. You can also find us on all possible social media. Okay. And very important here, you can download for free our OsteoNews app. This OsteoNews app is totally for free and is available in iOS, on Google Play, and on Windows Phone. Okay. A summary. You can get the DO and an accredited master. You will learn a lot of skills, a lot of practice, and this in a student-centered way. We teach on evidence-based practice. We are very ethical. There's a lot of flexibility in the courses. It's the most important investment that you can do professionally. Here you see our website, www.osteopathy.eu/en. There you find a lot of details on the courses. So we would like to advise you to come out of the crowd, become an osteopath, study osteopathy. If you want more information, you can always send us an email. Thank you very much for your attention.